So this is my Woom bike, and I'm on gear 4 right here. I have a thing right here that shows what gear I'm on, and I'm on number 4. So number 1, if I go one more back, it goes to 3. And then 3 is more of the bigger circle. And if I go 2 back to 1 is the biggest circle. Do you see that? Yeah. And then after that, if I go all the way to 8 is going to be faster but harder to pedal. This if we're doing it on the stand, it's easier, but on ground it's really hard. And now we're on the smallest circle. And let me tell you something. On gear 8, you can go at 13 miles per hour. That's one thing. And then, now, after we do that, I'm going to go 1 back to 7. Now, it's on a bigger circle. And then, if I go to 6, it's on an even bigger circle. 5, even bigger circle. 4, even bigger circle. 3,